Okay, as you can see, I've got some bits of popcorn laid down here to give the vacuum robot something to do. And I don't have it docked in a good location. It's actually supposed to be a few feet away from objects, but this is where it is right now. Alexa, start vacuum.
Okay. Smart cleaning mode.
So smart cleaning mode is just like back and forth until it covers the entire area. Excuse my mess. There's also spot cleaning mode, and I think another mode that I can't remember off the top of my head right now. But as you can see, she's found an area that has, you know, enough that she slowed down to make sure she got it all, which she did, it looks like. The spot cleaning mode will get anything that she misses if she does. And I don't know why I'm calling her a she, but I am. The app you can use to change the mode, and you can also see a map of where the vacuum has been. I changed her name to Vacuum from Robot because I thought that would be easier for me to remember. But she's just gonna keep going back and forth until she covers all of my floor. You'll definitely want to pick up cords. I've got this internet cord right there that I pick up before I let her vacuum. Anyway, I will try to show you spot cleaning next. Okay, this is spot cleaning mode. I wasn't fast enough so that you could hear what she says, but she does announce that she's going to be doing this. And I remembered that the other mode that she has is called edge cleaning or something like that, where she goes around the edge of the room. But this is good if you have a big pile of dirt. Oh yeah, if she runs into something, she just turns around and goes the other way. So it works pretty well, especially in our kitchen under our table. Alright, this is edge cleaning mode, and she really does a good job. I know all of my video has been on carpet, but she does an excellent job on hard floor as well. So that is edge cleaning mode, and she will just go along the edges of your entire room. Alexa, turn off vacuum.